So hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. My name is Arsalan and today we are on day 10th of building the problem solving skills with the help of Python. Now if you are very new to this channel, very new to this playlist, let me give you a very brief introduction of what this playlist is all about. In this playlist we have been building problem solving skills with the help of Python, and we already solved question with the help of a string data type, already solved question with the help of integer data types, and in the upcoming tutorials we will be also covering list data types and dictionary data types. Also we will be covering sets as well and tuples as well, and right now we are covering booleans, and already we have solved 10 questions based on Boolean data types. Now we'll be solving 10 question in this tutorial, and then in the upcoming tutorial we'll be covering list, set, and dictionary, or maybe we will be also covering tuples as well. Now, right now, if you are very new to this channel, let me give you an overview of what we have done so far. And as you can see on the screen, we started from a very basic question, and we have been increasing the difficulty level day by day. Now on day 10, we have a very difficult question which we'll be doing today, and difficult in the sense that as a beginner you will be finding it difficult, but if you are on an advanced level, you might find it you might find it easier. Now let's start this tutorial, and just for starting with this tutorial guys, please do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button, and bookmark the playlist so that you can get the updates from the channel. Now question says password validation. So create a Python program that checks if a user provided password meets the at least 8 characters long, contain at least one character uppercase letter, contain at least one digit, and contains at least one special character, example @hash and dollar. Now to do that, first of all I will be creating a function called def password validation, and I'll be taking a password from the user. So I'll be writing password, and then this is the parameter I'm going to pass here, and then I will be writing some logic here. So first of all I have to check if it is at least one 8 characters long. So simply I will be writing if statement here, that the moment if it is not 8 characters long, it will be returning me false. So I'll be returning I will writing if condition here, saying that if len of password is only if it's greater than 8, then only run the logic, else first of all I'll writing pass here. I'll be writing logic eventually, but right now I'm just saying write it pass, and then after this I'll be saying that else print or return me what, return me invalid password, the length should be greater than 8. Okay, so I am writing this, and after I do this I have to write a logic. So to the logic I'll be writing here, first of all I have to check contains at least one uppercase character. So I can just measure the length of the uppercase characters. So to do that I will be writing a variable here, saying that uppercase is equals to an empty string, and then I will be having another variable digit is equals to an empty string again, and I will be creating one more variable which will be saying that special character, and it will be again an empty string. Now these three things should be, their length means I will be checking in the password, and I will be concatenating characters, and I'll be concatenating characters which are uppercase, digit, and special character. I'll be doing, I will be just running a loop, and I'll be checking each individual character in the password. Alright, and for each individual character, if it is uppercase it will be concatenated in the uppercase. If it is a digit, it will be concatenated in the digit, and if it is a special character, it will be concatenated in the special character. And after I do that, what I will be checking if their length is uh, at least equal to 1. All right, means all of them should all of their length, means uppercase, digit, and special character, their length should be at least 1. If it is not 1, then return false. So I'll be writing logical operator, and there is so much to do. So let's start doing this. So I will be running the loop. So for characters, for char in password, I have to check if what. First of all, I have checked whether the length is greater than 8 or not, right? So it says that at least 8 characters, so I can write greater than equal to 8, and means 8 is also acceptable. But if it is not equals to, means if it is less than 8, means like, let's suppose it is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so till 7 it will be not acceptable, but after 8 8 9 10, and you can write n number of words after 8, it will be acceptable. So for char in password, if password, if char dot is upper, then do what, then concatenate it into uppercase plus is equals to char. Now if I print uppercase, let me show it to you that we are getting it or not. So first of all, let's print the function here, and print the function. For printing the function, I'll be writing the name of the function, that is password validation. And let's suppose I write some password here, and I write some password here. Let's suppose I write ARSALANN, which is of course greater than 8. And if I print this, I should be getting A here, and the printed value should be A. Let's see. So I'm getting A. Now why I'm getting A? Because A is only the special uppercase character. If I write N here, it will be AN. Let me just show it to you that it will be showing me AN, right? Now it is showing me AN. So this means that we are getting our values, right? Now what we will be doing here is, if is upper, then I will be saying after this, I have concatenated this in my uppercase character, uppercase string. Now it's come for digit. Now to check the digit, I have to write if char dot is number, and I'll be writing digit plus is equals to a number, so I'll writing char. Now if I run this, print digit, it will be an empty because there is no digit inside my epsilon value. So it will be giving me, it is numeric. So the function I have written here is not correct, so I write is numeric, IANUMERIC. The name of the function is numeric, not it is not is number. So right now it is showing me none. Why it is showing me none? Because there is no value which is a number. So if I write 1 2 3, so it will be giving me 1 2 3. If I show it to you, first of all it will be printing 1, then it will be showing me 1 2, then it will be showing me 1 2 3, because it is printing in on each iteration. Because I am running a loop, and on each iteration it will be printing me the value of each iteration. Now I will be removing this value again. Right now, third is to check if it is a if it has a special character. To check if it has a special character, what we do here is, first of all, let's write a special character here. Let's suppose I write dollar here. So to check if it is a special character, what we can do here is we can write a function which is alphanumeric. So I'll writing char dot is alnum, which is alphanumeric, which means that either if it is a character or if it is a number, then I will be appending that, I will be sorry, concatenating, not appending, I'll be concatenating that into special character. So it will be including either characters like A, R, S, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, W, X, Y, Z. Till Z, it will be either it will be A, or it will be B, or it can be C, or it can be D, anything it will be. And it can also be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So numbers are also included in it, but special characters are not included in it. So I'll be writing special character plus is equals to char. Now at the moment I'll be writing it here, so I should write, instead of this, I will be, means I want to ignore all the values which are either or numbers or my English letters, right? So is lnum gives me English letter, either English letter or number. So for that I can write the reverse of that. So if I write not, it will be giving me characters which are not alphanumeric. All right, it will be giving me characters which are not alphanumeric. And if I run this, you will be seeing that first of all, let me print this special character, print special character, and run this code for you and show it to you. What we are getting, we are getting $sign. Now I am getting my $sign. If I will be writing at the rate also, so I'll be getting, in the first iteration I'll be getting dollar, in the second iteration I will be getting dollar and at the rate sign. You can see now this is done. We have just concatenated uppercase, digit, and a special character. Now I want to check that whether their length is greater than or equal to 1 or not. If their length is greater than or equal to 1, then we will returning true. If they're not equal to 1, then we will returning false. So for that I can write if condition here. Let me write it just after this, that if len uppercase is greater than equal to 1 and len special character is greater than equal to 1 and len of digit is greater than equal to 1, then return me what? Return me valid password. Then only it is valid password, else return invalid password. Alright, now if I run this code, you will seeing that I am getting a valid password, because this is a valid password. See, it is a valid password because we have also special character, its length is also greater than 8, and it is also uppercase, and it is also digits. If I remove digits from here, let us suppose I remove digits from here, so now it will be showing me what? Let's just put it in a different line so that you can compare. And if I remove it from here and show it to you, that it will be giving me invalid password. See, it is giving me invalid password. What if I take the length which is not 8? What if I take the length which is not 8? Let's suppose I take AR and dollar, and if I print it to you, that it is showing that invalid password, the length should be greater than 8. So it is working fine. Now if I take value, let's suppose ignoring the special character and putting numbers only, ignoring the special characters, and it's the mixture of what? It's the mixture of number and means digits and English letters. So if I run this, it is saying invalid password again. And if I now remove the uppercase uppercase letter from it, while I also have the length which is greater than 8, greater than or equal to 8, and if I run this again, it is showing me again invalid password. So it will be only showing you valid password if it has a length greater than 8, and if it has a character which is uppercase, and if it has a character which has a special character, and if it has a character which has at least 1 digit. So it should be carrying 1 digit, it should be carrying 1 special character, and it should be carrying 1 is uppercase character. Now I suppose you have understood this question. Now this question is a very good question, and you might be wondering that how come this difficult question has come at the end. So because this question comes at the end, because I want to show it to you that we can use it to just return our boolean value. Now we have written valid password. Instead of this we can return what, false here, false, and comma here, and return true here. Now you can see that how I have increased the bar of boolean logic. Initially we were just solving very easy question. Now we have come up with a very strong and difficult question, and this will really enhance your logic building skills. And if I run this, you will be seeing a boolean value as well. True, valid password. Now this is a tuple. They have come into a tuple. You want to use it or not, it's on up to you. You can, if you want to write a string here, you can. If you do not want to write a string here, you can remove. If you want it, you can keep it. It's all up to you. Now this was all in the question, guys. I suppose that you have understood this question, and I wish that you will be subscribing to my channel, and you will be also sharing it with your friends so that they can also benefit from this playlist. And thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I really believe that you will be sharing it with your friends. Thank you so much guys for watching this tutorial, and see you next time.